how to change your Snapchat profile picture. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually change your Snapchat profile picture, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now your Snapchat profile picture is usually just your Bitmoji avatar, right? So you can simply choose to change your Bitmoji avatar. All you have to do is tap on the current one, then here you can see change selfie. Tap on change selfie and you can simply choose some of the other selfies right over here that you will be able to find, and then simply choose them. Then you can just tap on the done button to choose those other selfies as you will be able to find here. So this is how you can actually change your profile picture. If you're talking about your public profile also, it's pretty much the same. Tap on your existing one over here, then you can select your public profile picture and you'll be able to also change that one too. This way you'll be able to change your Snapchat profile picture. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.